Right now, every major stock market on Earth is falling. Europe, Asia, emerging markets, all crashing, except one. And understanding why tells you everything about where the world is heading. As of mid-March 2026, the global market index has dropped nearly 10% in just 6 weeks. Its steepest fall since the 2022 bear market. European and Asian markets are hemorrhaging. Liquidity is draining out of them at historic speed, and all of it is flowing to one place. The United States, meanwhile, remains remarkably resilient. Its stock market is holding near record highs. Analysts are calling it a defensive moat, a fortress economy, and they are right, because America built it deliberately over the past decade. 3 structural advantages explain it. First, energy independence. America produces 3.6 million barrels of oil per day, the most in history. While Asia and Europe scramble for energy, the US exports it and earns from the crisis. Second, AI leadership. The US controls the dominant AI companies, the dominant chips, and the dominant data infrastructure. Third, the dollar. When global fear rises, the world buys dollars. Every crisis makes America stronger. The result is what analysts are calling the Great Decoupling, the end of the assumption that all markets rise and fall together. Capital is now fleeing the rest of the world and flooding into the United States. A Danish pension fund just announced it is pulling all its holdings of American debt. But private investors are doing the exact opposite, pouring money in. The flight to safety is real, and it is accelerating. But here is the warning no one is talking about. The United States has the most overvalued stock market in 150 years. The Buffett Indicator, market value versus GDP, just hit 223%. The highest ever recorded. The fortress is holding, but it is also the most expensive fortress ever built. And history says expensive fortresses eventually crack. The Great Decoupling is real. The US is winning the short game, but the long game, with record debt, record valuations, and a world becoming more hostile by the week, is far less certain. Follow for daily finance and geopolitics breakdowns you will not find anywhere else.